Joe Taylor Christmas tree. I'm gonna show you my new board right there. Name is Snowball. Yeah, I got him 2 or 3 days ago at the pet shop. It's called Planet Pet. It's down by Lawrenceburg. Yeah, Lawrenceburg, Indiana. You know, cost by Dollar Tree is down 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 in Lawrenceburg. The Planet Pet. It's cost by the Dollar Tree. It's right there. You can't miss it at all. Cause if you want to get a board or something like parakeet or the finch, yeah, finches, parakeets, and turtles and a fish. Everybody loves fish though in a fish tank. It is like my uncle Harold has big fish tank and a big fish in it too. Me and Alex was looking at it, the big fish in them too, and and the goldfish too. They were about like like this long. The goldfish was that long. Yeah, it's amazing though. Look, I I finished it. The this one here, look, right here. I finished it. More shorts. Yep. Yeah, I finished it up too. I did finish it up today. You know. Yes. Look, she's happy too. She is happy. Today she was happy. She flapped the wings in there and then chirping in there. Yeah. She likes it in there. In that cage in there. That's her new home in there. Cage. Yeah. I'll show you. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Snowball. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Say hi. she 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 probably is uh, shy. She's shy probably. I I don't know. Yeah. Can't wait to Alex come over on next Friday. I'll be glad. We're gonna play Door Monsters. We're gonna play games. Look, games right here. Got my Xbox. My Xbox and his his things right here. Look, these right here. That's Vegito and Goku. Them are them two right there. Vegeta and Goku. Yeah, it is. And then got me the hamster I have. She's asleep though. She's asleep though. It's during the day. She's up during the night playing on that wheel. I'm trying to sleep right here on my bed. Let's let's go. I got food for them too. I'm gonna turn the light on, alright? Turn the light on. Here it is right here. Here's food. Sunburst. That's the name of it is Sunburst. Here's all the food right here. And then right here. Even parakeet's food right here. Here's what it looks like. Here's seeds in it too. Like that. These. Yeah. I know. Crazy, ain't it? Crazy indeed. Hold on. Moving back like this. Like this too. And no. Yeah. Yeah. Me, I do a lot. Play around like that. And then come in here. Take a hammer death on my bed. like like it that he comes over to play around with him a lot. like uh, like that. See. Well, let me see. Well, we had an Easter egg hunt. We were little. Little right there. That's me and a Penny. Me and Penny was looking for some eggs. Looking looking for some Easter eggs hunt. We was little that time too. Well, let let you guys go. I hope you like this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Make it four thumbs up, and tell everybody to watch my videos and leave a like and comment down below if you like it, right? Like my video, right? Okay. See you guys. Alright. See you later.